Hey y'all, so we back with another install. This wig is coming from Klaiyi Hair. I would like to thank Klaiyi Hair for sending me this unit to review for you guys today. So let's get started. These are all the goodies that they gave me. This is the inside of the unit. I was not able to do the inside of the unit on camera, so here's a picture of it right quick. Right now I am spraying my Chi heat protectant because I am going to straighten her out. This is a kinky straight unit, so I decided I want to just smooth her out by straightening her. In the sun, the color is like a gingery type of wig, but in indoor light it kind of gives off like a reddish orange, so it was kind of cool to see that. This unit already came pre-plucked. It already came pre-cut, but of course I'm going to go in with my own customizations and do what I do. I did peep at the top of this unit. The hair gets extremely kinkier than the back of the unit, so just forewarning about the textures in the actual units. They will vary throughout the wig. I mean, every time I get a wig that's already pre-cut, I always look at the hairline from sight. It looks good until I put it on my head and then I see how dense the hairline kind of looks on me. So right now I wanted to go in and give her some layers in the front because I am just going to bump the ends in the front a little bit. But I also end up cutting a little bit of length off of the wig as well. You don't want the length to be kind of uneven in the front and then the back is just extremely long. So I want to have that blunt cut. I did have a black stocking cap to put on my head. If I'm not actually doing the whole ball cap method, you can really see that cap, especially if it's really light. So I kind of just opt for like a dark brown or a black wig cap. The hairline was cute, but it was just too dense for my liking. So I went in and kind of plucked her as much as I could. Almost messed up. I almost plucked too much, but yeah. I had to keep on looking at the camera and then looking at the mirror to make sure I wasn't over plucking. But you wanted to kind of open up the hairline a little bit. going to go in with my Nairobi foaming mousse and kind of smooth that down so I can see like what exactly I'm plucking. Some people like to pluck, you know, a dry hairline, but it kind of just varies. Even though this unit is glueless, I will be using adhesive spray. Like the lace was really coming together. I feel like once I put my makeup on, it really just blended right in. I did like the texture of this unit. Like I said, you want to open up that hairline. Y'all see how open that look now? And now that the hair is actually on my head, I can actually go in and kind of frame her the way I want to versus on the mannequin. I am going in with my Ruby Kisses, that lighter complexion in that palette. And I am using that for that parting space. And boom. She was just so soft and she was just so manageable. I personally didn't even have really any cons for real. As far as customization, I wanted to go in and do my own plucking. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank Klaiyi Hair for sending this unit. How did you feel about this install for today? Did you like the color? Did you like the length? Did you like the texture? Did you like how I styled it? Let's chat below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you are pressing that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss none of my future uploads. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.